What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we are going to be learning how to play Señorita. Did I say it right? Señorita.
Señorita.
Señorita. Anyways, we're going to be playing Señorita by Camila Cabello and Shawn Mendes. Now, this song is pretty easy. It only has a few chords, and they're all very simple. So let's go ahead and learn the song. But before we dive into the easy ukulele tutorial, make sure to hit that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. If you haven't already, if you're new here, click it. I would love you forever. Also, if you want, you can click the thumbs up button. That would also do this video great, and it would help with the algorithm, hint. And leave a comment below letting me know what other tutorials you want me to do next, because I'm going to be doing a bunch. Whether you like it or not, it's happening. So yeah, leave all those. Also hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. Wow, we're really getting into this. You know what, let's just get into the tutorial. So for this song, there are 5 different chords, and don't worry, they're all really easy. So we're gonna need A minor, C, D minor, G, and E minor. So if you know how to play those chords, good for you. You are a step ahead. I'll leave a mark right here where you can go, and we'll talk about the strumming, and also we'll talk about the actual playing. There will be a play along at the end of this video, so as soon as we master all of it, we'll be able to play together, and we'll harmonize, and we'll do all the things that with our voices and our ukuleles. That sound weird? I don't think so. But anyways, stamp right here. You can go forward, fast forward, reverse, pause, whatever you want to do, feel free. We encourage all of that. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyways, fast forward if you need to. We're going to go on to how to learn to play these chords. So the first chord that we're going to be playing is the A minor. Now, how I like to play it, I like to take my middle finger, and I call these the first, second, third, and fourth string. So from up is first, second, third, and fourth, and then you have the frets, which are these little lines that go like this way. So first fret, second fret, third fret. So take your middle finger for the A minor, take your middle finger, and I'll also include a sort of a diagram of where you should be putting your fingers. But take your middle finger and then put it on the first string and then on the second fret, and then it should sound like this. The second chord that we're going to be learning is the C chord, and again, it's simple. It's with only one finger, so I again like to play it with my middle finger. So we're going to go down to the 1, 2, 3, 4th string, and then the 1, 2, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. Again, pretty easy, not bad. So the third chord that we're going to be learning is the D minor chord, and it's a little bit more, I wouldn't say tricky, but it just involves 2 or 3 fingers depending on how you play it. So I play it like this. I take my pointer finger for the D minor, and I go on the first, second, third string, first fret. I put my pointer finger, and then how I like to play it, because if you haven't noticed, my fingers are a little bit chubbier than some other ukulele players. So I like to take my middle finger, and I like to sort of cover the both first and second string on the second fret. So it kind of looks like this. I don't know if you can see that. So instead of doing the first string, I do both first and second. I kind of just squish my finger there. I like it. How you would traditionally play it is that you would put your pointer finger on the third string, first fret, your middle finger on the first string, second fret, and then your ring finger on the second string, second fret, and it would play like this. But I find it more comfortable, again, to just cover the first and second string with my middle finger. So it really depends on what you feel comfortable with. So either of those techniques works perfectly. And that's the D minor. So the next chord that we're gonna learn is the G chord, and this one, again, just with practice, it's gonna come a lot naturally and easier, but don't worry, we're gonna go through it. So what I like to do is, I like to start off with my middle finger first, and we're gonna go to the 1, 2, 3, 4th string, 2nd fret, and then we're gonna take the pointer finger and go to the 1, 2, 3, this 1, 2, the 2nd fret, sorry. So now currently we have the pointer finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and the middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then we're gonna take our ring finger on the, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we're gonna be learning is the E minor, and this one is pretty simple. So it's just gonna be like a staircase. So we're gonna start off with our pointer finger, and it's gonna go on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then we're gonna go with our middle finger, and it's gonna go on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. And then we're gonna go with the ring finger, and we're gonna go on the 2nd string, 4th fret. So it kind of just goes like a staircase down, and it should sound like this. And that's it. Those are the 5 chords that we're going to be learning. So if you want, make sure to pause this video, practice and make sure to get comfortable with the positioning of your fingers. And yeah, let's get on to now strumming. So with a lot of these songs, I like to do the island strum, which is sort of a generic ukulele strumming pattern. So what the island strum would just be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now, I like to also add in sort of a chuck, just to kind of give it a little bit more pizzazz, a flair, if you will. So let's put our A chord down. So again, middle finger, 1st string, 2nd fret, and we do down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So whenever I do the down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. When I'm emphasizing on the down, that's when I add the chuck. So it would be like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. And if you have never chucked before, basically you're muting the strings when you go down. So I like to just put the meaty part of my palm. So when I go down, I'm just basically muting all the strings. I'm pressing down on the strings so they get muted. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So again, make sure to practice that as well. The strumming is just called an island strum, which is sort of the generic strumming that you can do on the ukulele. There's a lot more fancier. You can also do like plucking, or finger picking, but we're not gonna do that for today's video. It's just gonna be a... So that's gonna be it. So now that we learned the chords and the strumming, let's get into sort of putting the song together. So now that we have the chords down and the strumming, let's do sort of how everything comes together. So it really does follow a pattern, this song. It just goes to A minor, A minor, A minor, and then C, C, and then D minor, D minor, and then G, E minor, and then A minor. So that's the pattern that this entire song goes. So if you learn that and you just keep on playing it, boom, you have the entire song of Señorita. So let's do a countdown of how long you play each chord. So I'm gonna do 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. So that's how I'm gonna count for this song. So we're gonna start with A minor, and I'm gonna put the chord that we're playing right now right next to me so you know which chord to go. So 3, 2, 1, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1. So if you need to pause the video, rewind, watch some things, just practice a bunch, the chord progression, the chord changes, the strumming, the count. Make sure you have everything down because next is the play along. So if once you have everything down, hit play and let's play along together. Alright, so we are now at the play along portion of this video. Congratulations if you went through the chords, the strumming, and the timing of the entire song. Congratulations, you made it this far. Now we get to do the fun part, is package everything together and do a nice little play along. I love it when you call me Señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's ooh la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for your land in Miami. The air was hot and summer sweat dripping right off me before I even knew her name. La la la. It felt like oh la la la. Yeah, no. Sapphire and moonlight. We danced for hours in the sand. Tequila Sunrise. Her body fit right in my hands. La la la. It felt like oh la la la. Yeah. I love it when you call me Señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's ooh la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for ya. That is it. Congratulations, you have now learned how to play Señorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. As always, I'm going to include the entire chord sheet to the song in the description below, so make sure to click the open more in the description box and you'll see the entire song with all the chords above it right there for you, for your convenience. And as always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't hit the subscribe button and you learned something, make sure to hit this red subscribe button. It will turn gray. Also, if you want to leave a comment in the comment section, that would be amazing. I would love to know if this helped you. If this didn't help you, let me know. If you like something, if you didn't like something, again, let me know. I had a lot of fun teaching you, and also it was really fun to kind of go through the song. I really enjoyed it. Hopefully this helped one of you. And also hit the bell icon, because apparently YouTube and their algorithm and just the recommended and all that kind of stuff is not working at its finest. So hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you did learn this song and you want to post it either on YouTube or Instagram, Twitter, whatever, tag me. I'll put all my socials right here. Probably the one that I'm most active on other than YouTube is Instagram. We have built a nice little community. I think we're at 36,000 on Instagram. So if you want to join that community and you haven't joined already, make sure to follow me at Ricky Somborn. And if you want to post your Instagram cover of this song that you just learned, tag me in it. I'll share it with my community. I'll be more than happy to if you came from this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in... This is the worst ending to a YouTube video probably ever. It's just super long. Get to the point. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a like. Hopefully you learned something. Again, I'm repeating myself. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Alright, we need to work on the ending of videos because that was freaking terrible.